So, hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well in your life. So, welcome everyone to the new video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to get rid of the problem of endless scrolling in Instagram or Shorts. So, we all are going to we are all facing this problem right now. So, I am also facing this problem since a very long time, and I am very much feeling bad about that problem because I'm not able to focus on my studies because of this problem. So I am searching up a solution for this problem since a long time. So I have also applied the solution on myself, and I have watched much of videos like you have to make your environment like keep your phone away, or just remove the Instagram or Shorts from the phone, away from the phone. So I just worked on that. I just get to know that removing that will not a solution for long term. Like if you will remove the Instagram, then it is not a solution for long term. So I am searching a good solution that is effective one. So let's find out, let's discuss. So the first thing you have to do is that you have to understand that everyone around you is facing this problem, are facing this problem. You are not the only one person who is going through this situation. So first, if we understand that everyone around us are facing this problem, then we get relaxed, or we get understand that okay, all are humans, all are facing this problem, because these apps are made like that, that you get and you can invest time in the air and waste your time here. So these apps are made like that. You have to understand that your friend is also stuck in this problem. Okay, you are not the only person. So if you will get understand this, then only we can move forward. So first thing is that now discuss the next thing. Okay, now you also can do these things like remove the Instagram app, or use Instagram Lite version to okay, it also works, but it is not the effective way. Let me explain you the situation, what's the problem. So whenever I focus on my study, I sit, I am thinking in my mind that I will study for 2 hours continuously, and I will make this 2 hours effective. So I just sit and then start studying. After half an hours, I feel like let's use Instagram for just 5 minutes. After that, I will get back to the studies and start studying. Okay, then it's okay. My mind given the permission. Okay, you can watch it. So I started watching Instagram reels and go on for 5 minutes. And suddenly I get noticed that oh, 10 minutes passed out and still I am craving for more reels. So I just gave a situation in my mind that I will just give 5 minutes more, then I will get back to the studies. Okay. Then after wasting 15 minutes, then I will realize that I am feeling sad. Why are you feeling sad? Because you didn't follow your instruction, that's why you are feeling sad. So for complete I can say, for comparing that sadness, for fulfilling that sadness, you want instant good feeling, for and that good feeling you want in short time. So how you will get that short good feeling? You just watch more reels, so you get that good, you think like you are getting a good feeling instantly, and you are fulfilling that bad feeling with that. But you are getting inside a trap. Like you are just feeling good for that moment, but on long term you know that you are not doing the work you want to do. Okay, so this is the problem. You just get in a trap and you just waste 1 or 2 hours in this situation, and you have decided that you will study for at least 2 hours. Okay, so this is the problem. You get all clear about that. So how to deal that? So what I do in this situation, whenever I get stuck in that distraction, so first mind that in getting stuck in that situation or any distraction is very normal. It is the like you can say human activity. Getting distracted is very humanly. You don't have to be sad about that. Okay, So second thing you have to keep in your mind is that never become sad after you have distracted from your productive work. Okay, so if you will feel sad, then you have to get an instant good feeling, then you will again get distracted. So becoming sad is not a solution. So you just need to understand that everyone around me is getting distracted, and I am a human, I am also getting distracted. So the problem is that you are not getting back. So that is the problem. The distraction is not the problem, and being distracted is not the problem. Okay, so what to do? So the problem is now what to do. We understand the problem completely. Now what to do? Okay, so whenever I get distracted, what I do? So I just remind me that I will watch only for 5 minutes. Then I have completed my 7 or 8 minute in that. Then I get a feeling that I am doing something bad, and I will tell you about that. You have your mind have two things, one emotional part and one rational part. Okay, emotional part is quite heavy, and you can say is quite powerful, but that rational part needs energy for working. Okay, so that is not always effective. So you have to take decision in milliseconds. Okay, whenever you get a feeling that you are doing something wrong, at that moment you have to get back in your studies. You don't have to wait for 5 more reels or 5 minutes. If you will say your mind, I will watch only for 5 minutes, after that feeling, then you are just fooling yourself. Okay, so you just need to understand that whenever you get a feeling that you are doing a wrong thing, at that millisecond, at that instant, you have to get back in that feeling, at that studying part. You don't have to wait for 5 days. Just get back as soon as possible. Okay, this is the real hack of getting rid of that situation. So I just follow this. Whenever I get distracted, I just say I will watch for 5 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I will get some feeling like I am doing this wrong. I have to get back. That I switch my Instagram away from that, and I just get back to the study. Okay, and after studying for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I just get again distracted in that situation, and I just keep on distracting and for 4 minutes. So after that I get to know, oh, I again get distracted. Then at the situation I just get back in millisecond. And after this practice, you will be improved, or your mind will be in a situation or a powerful situation that you will get back in millisecond, and will save your lots of time in this situation, because you have a proper control on your body. And whenever you got a feeling that you are doing something wrong, then you will start your studying, and that's the productive thing you can do with your studies. So this technique I usually use whenever I feel low, and after doing these things I get to understand that everyone around me is getting distracted, but I am not distracted anymore, because I am just getting back to that situation which I want to do, or which I want to follow. So that's all I want to tell you in this video. Thanks for watching the video.